Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do 3 easy hairstyles on fine hair. Hairstyle number 1 is an easy messy bun. To start, I'm going to pop the hair into a ponytail and add some texture spray across the top of the head, and then gently use your fingers to pinch and pull for some more texture and volume. We're going to split this ponytail into 4 sections, so take your first section of hair, hold it near the top and then give it a couple of twists towards the head. So it makes a sort of loop, and then we're just going to secure this with a few bobby pins. Move on to the opposite side, take the same size section, grab it near the top and twist it a couple of times towards the head. Position it right next to the first one and again secure with a few pins. Split the remaining hair in half. Grab it with a couple of fingers near the top of the section and then twist it round a couple of times and then place it on the bun, slightly overlapping the first loops, and secure with as many bobby pins as needed. And we're just going to repeat it one last time, so take your section, hold the top and twist it a couple of times. Hold it to the bun, overlapping the above sections, and secure with a couple of pins. Use your fingers to gently pinch and pull every loop and twist of this bun apart. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Moving on to hairstyle number 2, we've got this lovely messy updo. To start, divide the hair from the top of the head to just above the ears and clip that front section out of the way for later. Then repeat on the opposite side. Add some texture spray all over the hair. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then gather up the hair into a high ponytail. Make a hole from left to right behind the elastic band and pop a couple of fingers through. Pass your ponytail to your fingers and pull it all the way through the hole to create a sideways twist. Next, apply some wax spray all over the hair. This will help with flyaways and provide a little bit of hold. Then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at the hair around the crown for some more volume. Now, to get your ponytail nice and voluminous, I'm going to add some of this volume powder throughout the ponytail. Again, everything will be listed below. Then, using a fork comb or a wide tooth comb, gently back comb the entire ponytail. Then just smooth out the very top layers so you can't see the back combing. Loosely twist that ponytail in one direction all the way to the end, and then use your fingers to pull out a few pieces of hair from the ponytail to leave hanging down. Take the end of the ponytail, bring it up and over the top to the opposite side. Then just hold to the head and secure that little bun with a few bobby pins. Release those side sections and I'm going to leave a little bit out to frame the face. With the rest of the hair, just give this a couple of twists towards the head. Hold it to the side of the bun, leaving the ends out, and secure with a bobby pin or two. Repeat on the opposite side, so leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face. twist the rest of the hair towards the head and secure at the side of the bun. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. And for the third and final hairstyle, I've got this beautiful curly bun. To start, I'm going to divide the hair straight across from the end of the eyebrow height and pop that top section into a ponytail. Just clip this out of the way for now, and we're going to divide the rest of the hair in half and then tie each half into another ponytail about top of ear height. So you should have one ponytail on the top and two at the bottom. Apply some spray wax over the top of the head. I'll pop everything I use in the description below. Then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at the hair around the crown for some more volume and texture. I'm adding some heat protective spray to the ponytails, and I'm going to divide each ponytail into 3 sections and curl each section. Then just repeat this on all 3 ponytails. Now I'm going to add some dry texture spray all over those curls. Again, I'll pop this in the description. And I've taken a bun donut and cut it up, and I'm just going to fold this into a round shape and pop it in the middle of all 3 ponytails. Then secure around the outside with a few bobby pins. Starting with that top ponytail, we're going to divide it in half, and I'm just going to wrap one section around the other to create a twist, and every time I do this I'm going to divide off a tiny piece of hair and let it drop down out of the twist. So wrap the sections around each other, divide off a bit of hair and let it drop down. Do this all the way to the end of the hair and secure with a clear elastic band. Then create the same twists on the remaining 2 ponytails. If you're new to my channel or just find yourself coming back, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Okay, starting with that top twist, I'm going to gently pinch and pull for more volume. And then I'm going to take the twist from the right hand side over to the left hand side across the top of the padding, tucking the ends underneath. Then secure it to the padding with a few bobby pins. Take that bottom right hand twist, and again we're going to pinch and pull for more volume. And we're going to take this from the right hand side of the head over to the left side and secure with a few bobby pins. Tuck those ends underneath the padding and again secure with a pin or 2. We're just going to move these little pieces of hair out the way, and we're going to take that last twist, pinch and pull for volume, and then we're going to take it from the left hand side over to the right hand side, tucking the ends underneath and securing with a few bobby pins. With those curls, we're just going to pin them into the bun where they look nice. So just use your eye for this one. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Let me know which was your favourite hairstyle in the comments section below.